Welcome to part 41 of the Ultimate Birds General Knowledge Quiz. Think you know everything about the fascinating world of birds? Well, get ready to spread your wings of knowledge. From the tiniest hummingbird to the mighty eagle, today's quiz will test your mind and make you soar with curiosity. So grab your thinking feathers. Let's see how many of these amazing bird facts you can get right. Which bird has a heart that beats up to 1,200 times per minute? Hummingbird, a tiny heart beating faster than a racing drum. What bird can drink seawater and filter out the salt? Seagull, the clever sailor that drinks seawater without harm. Which bird sings while flying high at dawn? Skylark, the dawn singer that fills the sky with joy. What bird is known for its spectacular pink color from eating shrimp? Flamingo, turns pink from a shrimp diet, nature's color artist. Which bird has eyes that weigh more than its brain? Ostrich, big bird, bigger eyes, even more than its brain. Which bird is famous for its bright blue feet used in mating dances? Blue-footed booby, the bird that dances with bright blue feet. Which bird can recognize hundreds of human faces? Crow, the genius bird that never forgets a face. What bird is called the ghost bird because of its eerie look and sound? Frogmouth, the mysterious, wide-mouthed ghost of the night. Which bird is known to mimic the sound of chainsaws in the forest? Lyrebird, the forest's best sound imitator, even copying chainsaws. Which bird carries fish in its large throat pouch? Pelican, the fisher with a built-in pouch net. How did you do this time? If you aced the quiz, you're truly a bird brain, and that's a compliment here. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the challenge, share it with your friends who love nature, and subscribe so you never miss the next flight in our Ultimate Birds quiz series. See you in part 42. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your curiosity flying high.